everyone, this is Kathy with my DIY, and today my sister is here with us, Evelina. Hi! Evelina came to me today with this huge tobacco basket. You guys probably saw the previous video when I decorated my tobacco basket. So today is another one, and Evelina has a beach decorated home. So we're thinking to combine farmhouse and beach. Remember in my last Dollar Tree haul, I hauled this picture for her, Blessed by the Beach. So how about we combine the two today and create a wonderful basket? And we're gonna take you guys for a ride with us. So let me show you guys how we're gonna do this.
For this project, we need a tobacco basket. This one is from AC Moore. Since we're decorating beach, we need some grass, seashells, nautical rope, ribbon, anything that you like. Also some floral foam, Spanish moss, floral wire, and of course a sign. Like this one is from Dollar Tree. I don't like the dark frame, so I sprayed it with some chalk paint. And now I am just distressing it a little bit with some fine sandpaper. As you can see, it looks much better. And just want to show you my seashells. They're from previous project, but all it is really is like a floral pick or a floral wire with some seashells attached to it. And what makes it easier that way to insert them into an arrangement. Next step is to cut up the florals that you have and also remove the green leaves. We don't need that type of greenery in a beach theme arrangement. Next, we are attaching some foam to the tobacco basket. One goes on the top left and another one bottom right, and it's going to be hidden under the picture. And then, of course, we glue the picture to it. And now, guys, it's the fun part, just inserting the florals in the foam. As you can see, it's very simple. I'm inserting everything at an angle, at the top corner and then at the bottom corner. I start off with the grass and then I insert the flowers. Next, I am making a simple bow out of nautical rope, and I'm just tying it down with some floral wire. It's a very simple bow. My sister did not want any ribbons. She likes a simplistic look, so it's actually your choice, your preference, what you guys like. If you like ribbons and you would like to make a bow, please look up my previous tobacco basket that I decorated for spring, if you like to insert a bow. If not, and you're making a beach theme, simple like my sister's, go ahead and just use some nautical rope. And in order to decorate the opposite corner of the arrangement, I'm cutting just a couple single loops. Cutting some rope, making a single loop and tying it with some wire. And as you can see, my trick here is to twist the remaining floral wire to create a stick. And that makes it easy to insert the loop into that foam. Okay, and now guys, after I take a second look at my arrangement, I feel like it needs a little bit more flowers. So I cut some more flowers and I'm inserting extra, a little bit more on one side and the other. And again, this is a personal preference. Alright guys, and now my cherry on the top. If you watch how I make my arrangements, I always like to put that cherry on the top. And here is my starfish. At the top left corner is one, and the opposite corner is another large piece. I think it just adds that little extra that is needed. Isn't it beautiful? And now a couple smaller pieces here and there. And here's the look at the final result. Farmhouse meets coastal. Whether you live by the beach or you wish you did, you can bring that feel into your home with this beautiful beachy tobacco basket. My sister loves it, and nothing makes me happier. And this is how it looks in her living room. I think it fits perfectly with the decor. I believe that coastal farmhouse will be very popular this summer, so I encourage you guys to go for it and try to make one of these at home. As you can see, it's very easy and inexpensive. And I have one more project for you today, guys. Little blue truck. There's nothing like a classic charm of a vintage truck. So when I got this beauty for Christmas, I didn't want to put it away. If you saw my Valentine's video, I decorated it with burlap and hearts. And now for spring, I want to make it a flower delivery truck. I think it's gonna be great, beautiful, and it's gonna let me enjoy my truck for another season. Let me show you how this could be done, how to transform your little truck. And if you don't have a truck, I encourage you to get one. I think it's worth the investment because it adds a really cute vintage touch to your decor. It's a beautiful accent piece that's worth having around the house. So we're gonna need some flowers to decorate it. And I have here daisies, lilacs, pussy willow. Any flowers that go with your decor will be great. In addition, you're gonna just need some foam, ribbon, and a little chalkboard or a small card to do your flower delivery sign. So first thing I did, I twisted off the Christmas trees that came in the back of my truck. Uh, there's all different types of trucks. Some of them come with one big tree. Mine has three little ones. As you can remove it, you insert the foam. And as you can see, those pre-cut foams from Dollar Tree fit perfectly here. And then, as usual, we cut off the florals. And I have a little butterfly there, any florals that you like. Let's start off by inserting the larger flowers first. And I like to do it in the shape of a triangle. And let's insert those flowers at an angle because as you can imagine, when the truck drives and the wind blows, the flowers will be flying in the wind that way, right? As you arrange your flowers, you realize it looks better when the flowers are shorter in the front and longer in the back. So that's why I'm trimming a little extra. I decide to add one more butterfly in the back on the opposite side. I think it adds a little bit punch of that yellow color there too. And I had one leftover blue butterfly from a previous bush. I like those butterfly bushes because you get about 6, sometimes 8 butterflies for a price of $1. As to getting separate butterflies, it's usually $1 or for 1 or 2. And here I am cutting some more greenery. I realized that those flowers don't have enough green, so I'm trimming some leftovers that I had saved from previous flowers. And also to cover that unsightly green foam, I'm using some Spanish moss. And now I'm just inserting the greenery around the truck. Next, flower delivery sign. If you can freehand that sign, that would be great. Unfortunately, I am horrible, especially with the chalk. So my sign is small, so I just typed up flower delivery with a skinny font in Word. And then as I covered the back of the printout with chalk, I eyelined it with the little sign and now trace it down with the pencil. I trace down the letters, and as I remove it, ta-da! It's a beautiful sign. So the flower delivery sign is probably my cherry on the top, but I also like to add a little bit of buffalo check to arrangement if I can. So here is a very simple ribbon, and I'm just tying it with the wire in the middle and creating a pick, inserting that on the side of the truck. And how cute does it look, guys? As usual, I take a second look at the arrangement, see if I can change anything, and I think it needs a little bit more yellow. So I have these small yellow flowers that would be perfect. I'm just inserting a little bit here and there. And here's the look at the final result, my flower delivery truck. I think it is just so adorable. I cannot stop looking at it, and I'm so happy I can enjoy it one more season. I really encourage you guys to do the same with your truck. It's just so cute, nothing like that classic charm of a little vintage truck.
Alright guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit thumbs up and subscribe. And so glad my sister was here today. Thanks for doing it, sis. I really love it. No problem, I'm so happy. So, see you guys in the next video. Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.